This is not the greatest toy vehicle in the world. This is just a tribute. Between 8 and 20 inches of pure mechanical badassery.
Oh my god, it's so big!
Featuring the RTsystem, the ultimate 3D printable, tolerance-proof, and tunable articulation system that will be forwards compatible. Always fits. Guaranteed no matter what. No lame-ass flappy legs. No things that don't fit into the other thingy. Tune each and every ball joint at the perfect tightness.
So tight.
Each and every piece fits on an old-ass Ender 3. Like mine. Print 100% without supports. And pose, and cooler pose. Tribute! Make your own extremely customized to the teeth ultimate mech with this top-notch 3D printable kit by RenderBoy 3D, containing guns, a ton of fucking guns, 2 different cockpits, 2 different leg options, printing instructions, assembly manual. It took loads of fucking work, so you better read it.
Do you mind reading the fucking manual, please? Thank you.
Hardware list with links. Files pre-arranged for easy drag and print. Bamboo files for even easier print.
Yes, I printed this magnificent beast in my shady lame ass Ender 3.
It's all about the files, baby! Print your own and brag about it with your fellow action figure collectors. Contribute to the campaign now! Link in bio. The Tribute! It's the Tribute! RenderBoy 3D! Tribute! Yeah!
RenderBoy 3D Tribute. Get your own right now. Contribute to the campaign and be happy.